How to get rid of hyperpigmentation. Mint leaves. Take 5 to 10 mint leaves. To begin with, go ahead and take mint leaves and grind them into one blender to extract the juice. Now shifeettheir juice right into a bowl. Then, immerse the cotton swab into this juice and today put it on your pigmented quantity. Continue the face for 10-15 minutes, wash the pigmented quantity or even the face with warm water and pat dry your skin. Follow this method once per day until your pigmented quantity have lightened completely. Almonds. Take 5 to 6 almonds, several drops of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Go ahead and take almonds and soak them in water overnight. The following morning take them off from water and grind them. Then add milk to acquire a fine paste. Then, for this paste add some fresh lemon juice and honey and blend well. Apply this paste towards the affected parts and it the whole night. Each morning, wash with the aid of cold water. Avocados. Take 1 ripe avocado. Initially, mash an avocado until you acquire a smooth paste. Then, use the paste towards the skin, and let it take about half an hour. Next, rinse with warm water. Follow this remedy 2 times each day, daily for a month. Banana. Take 1/2 peeled banana, 1 teaspoon of milk and 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Mash the banana completely initially and add some milk and honey into it. Combine well and use the mixture for your affected skin. Ensure that it stays on for about half an hour and wash off with the aid of warm water. Continue doing this process 2 times per week regularly and you'll begin to see the leads to 3 days.